Welcome to Faith Explorers, where we explore what God's Word means for us today. Leviticus isn't usually a go-to favorite, right? But hidden in the rules are some powerful truths. Truths about who God is and who we're meant to be. God gave his people rules not to control them, but to shape them. He was building a nation that reflected his holiness, a people that stood out because they stood with him. Holiness still matters, and while we don't follow sacrifices and ceremonies today, we are still called to be different, to live like we belong to God. Living for God doesn't mean being weird. It means being real. It means standing firm when others follow the crowd. Leviticus challenges us to be a light in a dark world. God's holy rules are about more than religion. They're about relationship. They help us know God better, and they show the world who we follow. If this helped you grow, help someone else. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly videos made just for you.